Today, I'll be showing you guys how to use CapCut Pro for free in 70 days. You can see if, if I want to make a project, I need to go to my CapCut, then I'll click on import. Then once I click on import, it will take me to this place. Yeah, let me go back. Click on import. Once I click on import, I'll select the video I want to edit, then open it. Then simple things like let's say I want to add a sticker. Stickers like subscribe, you can see the pro version symbol here. See all the simple sticker. This one is a free version. Any sticker or feature that you want to add that doesn't have this logo here is a free version. But simple stickers like just the subscribe button. Let's say I want to add the subscribe button to the video. Let me go to the media. I drag it to my timeline. Then I want to add a subscribe sticker. You can see that is a pro version. I cannot export it without it being a pro. I'm already on a pro, but I'm just showing you the problems that you have. Stuff like blurring. I want to blur it. I go to effects, click on blur. Then even if I want to blur it, you can see this blur is free. But let's see here. I want to blur it from here. But if I want to mask my blurring, let's say I want to blur just a specific area, you can see to mask it, you can see the logo here. It is showing that it is going to be on the pro version. So in order to save your time, if you want to get a pro version, this is the best way to go about it. Once you open your CapCut again, I'm opening another CapCut tab. I'm going to be showing you how to get the pro version for free for up to 70 days. You can see that I'm here again on my CapCut. This is when you open your CapCut, these are your home screen. This is how you get your 70 days for free. You click on invite friends. Once you click on invite friends, it's going to open this tab. So once you see this tab, you're going to copy the link. So once you copy the link, you can see the link has been copied. Then you go to your browser. You can see here once you've downloaded the link. So what happens is that you and the person that you referred, you both get 7 days free trial, and you can also get up to, you can refer up to 10 friends and get up to 7 days. The easiest way to, you can see, you can get up to 70 days by inviting 10 friends. With this is easy. You can't tell me that you don't have up to 10 friends that you people can just do this and enjoy. So that's how to get CapCut Pro for free in 2026. If you like this video, do it to subscribe and follow for more tips. And see you in the next one. Bye.